This, my friends, is the Kelty Classic Furniture Collection. Durable enough to last many seasons, these seats are sure to make you the envy of the campfire ring. The entire collection is built with a strong powder-coated steel frame, and the padded seats are built to last with a burly 600 denier polyester. Adjustable armrests allow you to dial in the comfort, while the insulated and adjustable cup holders are meant to be put to good use. The multi-use padded roll tote allows you to pack the chairs up without the struggle of a too small storage sack. Just place the feet into this pocket, wrap it up, attach the buckles, and you're good to go. Grab these handles to use the roll tote as a load hauler for multiple chairs, firewood, or whatever else you need to carry. But wait, there's more! When it's not hauling your gear, the roll tote lays out flat to keep you and your stuff off the ground. The Classic Furniture Collection is all about options. The deluxe lounge chair gives you oversized comfort in the woods. With 3 reclining positions and 2 insulated adjustable cup holders, it's perfect for those who just can't make up their mind. For those who can't stand to be alone, the Kelty Love Seat provides the perfect spot for campfire cuddles. And if you need your own space, the Essential Chair is built for you. With a shorter leg height and slightly reclined seat back, the low-down chair and low love seat are perfect for getting down at your favorite festival or movie in the park. And for the little guys and gals in your posse, the Kelty Kids Chair gives them a seat of their own. Last but not least, the simple camp chair is lightweight and compact, so you can take a seat anywhere. No matter which style you choose, the Classic Furniture Collection from Kelty is built to keep you comfy, season after season.
Coggins pop-up trash can makes the job of organizing and tidying campsites, RVs, or garages quick and easy. While compact for storage in smaller tight spaces, it expands in seconds to provide a convenient solution for keeping garbage in its place. There's a grommeted loop at the bottom to stake down the trash can so it doesn't blow away. The strong steel coil frame ensures it will not sag even when filled. A full zipper keeps everything in its place when not in use, and securely sewn webbed handles make transport when full a breeze. There's also a clear pocket on the lid to keep extra garbage bags handy. No trip to the campground is complete without Coggins pop-up trash can. For more information on all of Coggins products, go to www.coggins.com.
The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 25 is the perfect camp table for 4 people. A unique one-piece design with patent-pending telescoping legs, the table folds down to half its size. The Compact Camp Table 25 is quick and easy to set up. Just pull legs down and rotate tabletop together for use. The Compact Camp Table 25 is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 60 pounds. When it's time to pack up, rotate the tabletop, then, using our patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology, squeeze the tabletop together and push down to compress. The Compact Camp Table 25 is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in portable recreation gear.
Coggins' new twist anchor is ideal for use in all types of ground, from soil, to grass, to sand, and even underwater. Made from acetyl plastic, it can withstand bending up to 30 degrees without breaking and still come back to its original shape. Coggins' twist anchor holds firmly where many others wouldn't. This holding power is increased by the auger-style blades at the end of the anchor. Its unique design allows it to be secured in several different ways, either tied to the hook, or by securing the rope through the eyelet, or by utilizing the nautical-inspired cleat. At 12.5 inches, our Canadian-made twist anchor has the holding power and durability for the toughest tie-downs, from tents and awnings to mooring small boats. Coggins makes the outdoors more comfortable and enjoyable with over 500 accessories for camping, hiking, fishing, and RV. For more information, go to www.coggins.com.